Hello, my name is Alexander. I live in Russia. I'm a native Russian, and I'm a teacher of Russian as a foreign language. Today, I'm starting to teach via videos, uh, and this video is devoted to a form which I find very helpful, and I hope that this video can be helpful to all people, even to those who have never studied Russian before. Today's lesson I have named as do these two people, do it for people. And it is not just one lesson, it is a unit of 4 lessons, the first of which is the introduction, which we are doing now, and the presentation of imperative form of the verbs together with our pronouns. The second one will present past tense plus nouns. The third one, future tense and some more nouns. The fourth one will be special. It will be a live video where I invite those who would like to communicate during a lesson. So do this to people, do it for people. To speak about this, we need to get acquainted with our pronouns. As you see, our system of pronouns is very close to the English one. We have 8 pronouns. Why not 7 as in English? Because we have you in singular and in plural form. Here you can see ты, which is singular and informal you, while вы is plural or singular polite. Now I'm going to read all 8. Я, ты, он, она, оно, мы, вы, они. Dative case is the case which I have already named as the most thankful because you do something to others, to other people. Yeah, we are speaking about good things which we can do to other people today. So dative case, because we can give something to somebody, we can help to somebody, we can explain to somebody, sing for somebody, dance for somebody, read, and so on and so forth. Now I'm going to read all 8 pronouns in their dative form, which is presented in this chart together with English. So listen and try to repeat. Мне, тебе, ему, ей, ему, which is similar to him. Now plural forms нам, вам, им. Here I present 15 verbs which can be followed with a dative case. I'm going to read all of them, and they are presented here in 2 forms. It's the form which we use for repeated actions and for actions in progress. And here, that is the prefix which makes this verb to perfective, which means the action is finished, done to the end. So, number 1, звонить, позвонить. Number 2, дарить, подарить. 3, читать, почитать. Next one, петь, спеть. Next one, готовить, приготовить. Now to play. Here we have something special. That first letter E will change to U because of the influence of that prefix. I'm reading, you try to practice. Играть, сыграть. Again, играть, сыграть. Number 7. Рисовать, нарисовать. Now, different forms which can be absolutely different, like here in number 12, imperfective differs from perfective one 100%, but sometimes they differ only with some special suffixes, like here and in many other situations. So number 8, давать, дать, продавать, продать, покупать, купить, объяснять, объяснить. This letter is called hard sign or hard mark. It separates the sounds which are formed by the letters on the right and on the left. So once again, объяснять, объяснить. One more thing, letter O here is not stressed. The letters which are shown capital are stressed. So letter O in this position, when it is not stressed, should be pronounced closer to A, sometimes definitely A. Here, объяснять, объяснить. Number 12, говорить, you see, no sound O. Говорить, сказать. Number 13, рассказывать, рассказать. Number 14, показывать, показать. And finally, помогать, помочь. Letter G is changed by letter Ch here and finished with soft mark. Okay, thank you. Now we can go to the next part of my presentation. Do it, please. So here I present imperative form of those verbs which we have just read. So imperative for number 1, позвони. These two letters in the end are read те, and they always change the form of the verb into polite or plural form. Number 2, подари, or polite подарите. Read, почитай, or почитайте. Number 4, спой, спойте. Cook, приготовь, приготовьте. Сыграй, сыграйте. Нарисуй, нарисуйте. Дай, дайте. Продай, продайте. Купи, купите. Объясни, объясните. Скажи, скажите. Расскажи, покажи, помоги. Now we can go to the section which presents some sentences. That is the moment of starting communication. This section is called do something or anything now, please, with the word что-нибудь for something or anything and сейчас for now. Now we use only imperative forms. Call, позвони, or позвоните. Call him now. Позвони ему сейчас. Call her, please. Позвони ей, пожалуйста. This letter is taken into brackets because it is silent. Пожалуйста. Позвони ей, пожалуйста. The next verb to present. Дари, дарите. I have closed my translation so that you could do it on your own first. Present something to her. Please try to translate it. Now, check it, please. Подари ей что-нибудь. The next one. Present, plural form, something to him. Use your pause button to stop video so that you could have more time to think about your translation. Now, my translation is like this. Подари что-нибудь ему. In Russian, the word order is not as strict as in English, and you can put it in other way. Подари ему что-нибудь. Now, the next verb, to sing. Imperative in Russian is спой, спойте, and a couple of sentences with this verb. Please try to guess, try to translate on your own. Sing to him, sing to them. Спой им, sing polite anything to her. Спойте ей что-нибудь. Or спойте что-нибудь ей. Next group of sentences, I want you to notice that we can say read to somebody or read for somebody. The forms are different, but now we are going to use only the form which correlates to Russian read to somebody. I know that that is not pure English. That is, maybe it sounds in English not good. But in Russian, both forms are nice. But they are followed with different cases. Now we are interested only in dative, and this is only with to. Read to somebody. Again, you can see those pronouns which are presented in dative case. Мне, тебе, ему, ей, ему, нам, вам, им. And the sentences. Read to me. Почитай мне. Read something to us. Почитай что-нибудь нам. The verb to cook. Imperative of it in Russian is приготовь. Polite приготовьте. Cook anything now. Приготовь что-нибудь сейчас. Cook anything to them. Приготовь им что-нибудь. To play. Imperative in Russian сыграй. Сыграйте. Play a musical instrument. To me. Play to me. Сыграй мне. Play plural, anything to us. Please. Сыграйте нам что-нибудь, пожалуйста. Faster. Сыграйте нам что-нибудь, пожалуйста. Number 7. To draw. Imperative in Russian нарисуй. Нарисуйте. Draw anything to me. Нарисуй мне что-нибудь. Draw polite anything to us. Нарисуйте нам что-нибудь. Or нарисуйте что-нибудь нам. Now, this section is do it yourself. I invite you to do it on your own, and then when I come to you again to present my second video, I will start with the forms of translation of these sentences. And the second video will be devoted to past tense plus nouns. We'll go beyond pronouns. Thank you very much. Welcome on my second lesson.